Hello, welcome to Pots and Trowels. So we've not brought you tomatoes this week, a few technical hitches. We're here though at the Chorley Flower Show on day one, and I'm in the floral market. We've got some wonderful displays, all sorts. We've got bonsai, we've got flowering summer plants, we've got this amazing display here from Robinson's of seasonal vegetables, some whoppers on there, and then just over here we've got this magnificent display of sunflowers, and a friend of Pots and Trowels, we've got Jonathan Mosley. Hi Jonathan.
Hi Martin.
So Jonathan, lovely sweet peas, tell us about
this is an
those.
amazing display by the National Sweet Pea Society here. Lots of arrangements made with sweet peas, absolutely fantastic. Loads of little ideas for using and growing sweet peas, and I'm astounded by these stunning British sunflowers from Popular Farms. I'd love to get my hands on these for some of my flower talks that I'm doing at Chorley.
I think you might get some tomorrow now. These are all grown in Lancashire as well, aren't they?
Locally
Brilliant.
grown.
Thanks, Jonathan. And then we've got some amazing displays. So we've got this one with these wonderful bromeliads, the sort of things you get growing in a tropical rainforest, just clinging onto these branches there with this lovely tillandsia cascading down them. We've got all sorts here. We've got ferns, we've got Japanese maples here that are looking absolutely fantastic. And over here is a lovely cottage garden display. And Sarah Hobbs here from North Yorkshire is on this stand. Sarah, what do you think of these? What's taking your eye?
I am taken by the colour here, and these are my sort of plants. They are just vibrant at this time of year. Often a bit of a gap in the colour in our gardens. Hydrangeas, echinaceas, and the star of the display, a fantastic hydrangea called Cardinal Violet.
Absolutely beautiful. Right, and then as we walk away up, we've got all sorts of things. We've got cut flowers here, particularly favourite of mine here. We've got these wonderful gladioli that are looking particularly good. And then we've got fuchsias here. Llewellyn Fuchsias have done this magnificent display here. Look at these, thousands of fuchsia plants just packed into this. This has got not only a gold, it's also got the best in show, and you can understand why. Just look at the quality of those blooms. And of course we've got cacti. So there's lots and lots of things to see here at the Chorley Flower Show. It's also open at the weekend, so you can get your tickets on the day. So if you are at Chorley, come and say hello to us on the Garden Road Show, listen to some of the talks, we'll answer your gardening questions, and I promise we will get the tomato video that you should have got yesterday to you early next week. So we'll see you soon. Bye.